Welcome to One Manny House. I'm Sara Tonini and I'm part of Manny Architecture who created this place. One Manny House design was designed for anyone, future-proof, adaptable. The house can be for an older couple, two families, it can be sectioned off. Really adaptable design. So it really came about just showcasing to people what you can do with a space. The main communal area seats about 25 people, but in sort of a third of the size of a normal dining area. There's also a stand-up study nook that could also be utilised as a bar, depending on what you're sort of using the space for. A plunge pool in behind me, and then outside on the deck area we've got a sunken dining which situates your dining table right in the middle of the deck. The built-in furniture is probably one of the biggest elements, and it's showing people how to use the space in the best way. One of the great things about the house, and one of the design elements that was thought through from the start, was the use of natural light. Natural light is one of the biggest things that makes a person smile, and just the way you live in a space. Each bathroom is got a different colour. We've got a black bathroom, a pink bathroom, an orange bathroom, a green service area. So just showing people that you don't have to be too shy with things, and just that small pop of colour just gives you that little bit of interest. Manny Architecture is for everybody. No budget's too big or too small. Manny means hands in Italian, mane. It's handcrafted. That's one of our biggest things at Manny Architecture. We handcraft and we design exactly for you, your forever home.